With the ringing of the opening bell at the Nasdaq on Thursday, shares of iQiyi, the Netflix of China, began trading under the ticker iQiyi in the United States. The first trade came in at $18.20 a share, which was 20 cents higher than its initial public offering price. But then at the close, it fell to $15.55. The company raised $2.25 billion in the offering. According to its securities filing, iQiyi, majority owned by Baidu, will use half the money to expand and enhance its content offerings as it goes head-to-head with rivals Tencent and Alibaba in the streaming video space.
iQiyi's IPO comes on the heels of several disappointing Chinese listings here in the United States. Last month, Huami, which is a fitness tracking device, went public, and its shares are currently trading under the IPO price. Same thing for Bilibili, which went public on Wednesday here at the Nasdaq. Its shares, too, are below the IPO price.
Traders at the New York Stock Exchange say there is still lots of interest in Chinese companies, but U.S. investors are also more hesitant than in the past.
With trade embargoes and trade tariffs and trade war and trade this and trade that, I think even though some of these companies have really nothing to do with that space, I think the overall impression or the overall sentiment towards Chinese equities is probably not as good as it once was.
Another trader says investors are pickier now because of softness in the market. The S&P 500 is down 5% from a month ago.
Now you're seeing investors that are a little more patient. They've seen these IPOs priced weekly. They watch the fast money get out of them, and then they get into them where they think there's some kind of discount.
In 2017, 16 Chinese companies went public in the U.S., raising around $3.4 billion. The expectation was that 2018 would be an even bigger year for Chinese listings in the U.S., but with these disappointing IPOs, some Chinese companies might list in Hong Kong instead of the U.S. when it's time to go public. Karina Huber, CGTN, New York.